What is the customer journey at the Hilton?
There are some basic areas that one expects, which is a nice welcome on arrival, a clean room and a comfortable bed, a good breakfast, and a friendly and helpful service. We're looking at the customer journey. The customer journey is the path a guest takes when they arrive in the hotel, actually already when they make the reservation. So the customer journey starts perhaps in the internet or the moment they're on the phone making a booking, and then it continues when they arrive, when they walk into the front door, when they check in, when they have the first interaction with the hotel staff on arrival. The next step is the room itself and what they do in the room. In the room they can order room service, they can put clothes into the laundry or dry cleaning, they sleep in the bed. Obviously the room is being cleaned every day. The next day they take breakfast, perhaps in the room or in the restaurant. They may use their minibar. They may attend a conference in the hotel and use the meeting rooms in the business center. Or they attend an event in town and may use public transport. At some stage they will then leave again. They will come back to reception, they will pay the bill and check out and hopefully receive a friendly goodbye and farewell and see you again soon. So all that is the customer experience and the customer journey, as we call it.
How do you train staff for a positive customer journey?
We have two ways of training our staff in customer service. The first step was to define our services, and we call them service standards or brand standards. So a brand standard, for example, describes that the telephone has to be answered within 3 rings, that it has to be answered with "Good morning, Dagmar speaking, reception, how can I help you?" The second step is then, of course, the training we do with all team members when they start. On day 1, they get an introduction to Hilton, and then they get an introduction into their department and the service standards of that respective department. Number 3 is to check that it actually gets done. So twice a year we have mystery customers visiting us like a quality inspector, checking us and doing mystery quality control to make sure that all the hotels and the hotel teams actually adhere to these service standards.